Hi guys, if you saw my Stitch Fix unboxing video, you know at the beginning of that, not only did I have a Stitch Fix box, I had a Target beauty box, and I had a mystery box from Amazon that I couldn't remember what I ordered. I know what it is now. First, Target beauty box. Georgia Sunshine clued me into this. If you have not seen her channel, I'm going to link it below. You should go over and check her out. She does all sorts of unboxings and all sorts of hauls, and she has a very sunshiny personality, and I love her channel. She was talking about the Target beauty boxes and also some of the Target, other kinds of Target boxes you can get. They're relatively inexpensive, and you get all kinds of samples in them. This month's beauty box, it's $5. $5 for, I think in here there's 6 deluxe sample sizes of various personal care products. So let me open it and show you what's in it. Okay, first it says, "Hello Autumn Groove," and on the back it tells you what is in the box. But let's take a look. Pretty paper. Okay. This whole box was $5. Just this sample is worth $5. There's some oil of Olay, like Total Effects facial moisturizer. This is like old people's moisturizer. This is what I need for serious moisturizing in my skin. This stuff is awesome. I'm usually too cheap to spring for it, but it's good stuff. We also have Bliss Makeup Melt. This little, some little gel makeup remover. I'm trying to hold it in my hand to get an idea of the size. You can see relative to the size of my hand. Dry, wet, gentle jelly cleanser with rose flower. And makeup remover is something else I can use. I'm not wearing makeup right now except lipstick leftovers. But I do wear makeup, so that is always welcome. And then, y'all know what this stuff is. This is also moisturizer. How do you say that? Cetaphil? Cetaphil? Anyway, especially this time of year when everything gets dry. Say hello, Bandit. Hello, Bandit. This stuff is always, there we go, always welcome. And a travel size Tom's toothpaste. Now, I do tend to use natural toothpaste. I use either Kiss My Face or I use Tom's. They have a fennel flavor. That sounds awful, but it's really good. And I love this stuff. So Tom's toothpaste. Then we have our last 2 samples are a shampoo and conditioner. This is called Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Shampoo and Conditioner. And I'll let you know how they go. But I have to say, for $5, this is one of the better sample boxes I've gotten. It has stuff I will absolutely use. Everything in this box I'll use, especially this stuff. So I'll be much beautifuler next time you see me, even without makeup. Now, the other thing I got in my Amazon mystery box, it came and I'm like, what the heck did I order from Amazon? And then I remembered. Big Amazon box, little thing. I ordered an electric pencil sharpener. And I ordered an electric pencil sharpener because I have recently found a need to use pencils. And I only had one of those little tiny, like the kind you used to keep in your pencil case in school, manual pencil sharpeners. And I was there with a new pencil going trying to get it sharpened. And after about 150 turns, I gave up. And I went on Amazon and ordered myself an electric pencil sharpener. But Monica, why do you suddenly need to use pencils? It's all your fault. Well, you see, I've been watching a lot of planner videos, and I've commented under some of your videos admiring the artwork you do in your planners. Regular paper planners, not Google Planner, not Google Calendar, but a regular hard planner. And I look at all those artistic videos and I thought, I could never ever do that. I still don't think I can do it, and I don't tend to put a lot of effort into doing it. However, that got me thinking, how about just getting myself a regular old planner again? Because you know, in the morning I'm trying to remember what I need to do for the day, and I start up my phone, and then I scroll through and find Google Calendar, and then I try to see like all the things at once on Google Calendar, and it's a pain, especially if I forgot to charge my phone the night before, which happens frequently. So my son, away at college, ordered himself a paper planner. I said, Thomas, why are you ordering a paper planner? He said, oh, it's much easier to use than your phone. Okay. I decided to order myself a planner. So I started looking at all these different planners. And I went to the store and I started looking at planners. Sorry, the cat is sticking his claws in me right now. He's kneading. And I noticed a lot of them were kind of cheap. Like you turn the page too quickly and the page tears out. And the pen bleeds through to the other side. And after watching all y'all's videos, I decided to spring for an Erin Condren planner. And boy, am I glad I did. I love this thing. If you look at Erin Condren videos because you want to see the artwork people do in them, this is not your video. Trust me. The only artwork I did was I took a white erase marker, I wrote front of book, and made a little star whale because this cover came with stars on it. I thought that was pretty cool. On the back, I wrote Monica's book. Most of it's worn off. And I have a rocket ship, and there was the Starship Enterprise. It appears to have developed a cloaking device and is now cloaking. The wet erase marker, eventually it will rub off, but it doesn't rub off if you do that. So it lasts a little bit. But why do I love this? Oh my gosh, just one look in the store. I opened it. The paper is thick. It's not going anywhere. The pages aren't going to tear. And this particular one I like because it has the date on top and then a space for morning, noon, and night. This is how I plan. This is how I do it. With on the side, I know some of you all put decorations on the side. I just write a list of what I need to do that day. Why do I need a pencil sharpener? Because I make my list in pencil. Because I have to erase and reevaluate as I go through the day. And as I sat there trying to sharpen that pencil, I thought, if I'm going to be using this planner, I better get me some pencils. I am loving this to use just as a regular planner, and I will continue to watch your videos, you planner people, and admire your artwork. So far, I'm not there yet, but I can at least write down what I need to do for the day. Anyway, that's the story of what's in my boxes tonight, and I will see you again when I get a new box at my door. Bye-bye.